Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark or light mode on X. First, open the X app and then tap your profile picture on the top left menu. Go to settings and then go to display and sound. Next, what you have to do is go ahead and choose your preferred mode, dark mode for a dark background which is easier on the eyes, especially at night. Light mode for a regular bright background. Also, you can set it to automatic so X switches mode based on your device's settings. You can also change your fonts on here, and yeah, that's it. Switching between dark and light mode helps make your X experience more comfortable and personalized. Take some time to see which mode works best for you and fits your viewing habits. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more X tip tutorials. Customize your app, make it comfortable for your eyes, and I'll see you guys in the